So you know when you have a ball of yarn and you pull on a thread and it starts to unravel? I guess you could say that's what this feels like. Whatever this is that's going on with me. Someone asked me what I was trying to say, like what is the point of these blogs and these videos? But I really don't have any point. It's just like this. Kinda like if you see the string unraveling and instead of putting it back together and trying to keep it all wrapped up, you just kind of want to see what happens if it all unravels. I don't expect you to get it. There's not even anything to get. I don't even know why I'm talking about it. For the same reason Elena meows, by now, you should know she's my cat. But if you're just hearing this for the first time, well, who knows what you'll think. I don't know, and I honestly don't care. Not in a mean way like, oh, I don't care what anyone thinks, I know I'm right to shut up, but in a, I just don't care one way or the other what anyone thinks. People think what they think. Elena meows. Sometimes I meet a cat, and well, almost always they let me pet them. They purr. I mean, I'm really good with cats. They like me, and I like them. But sometimes a cat will hiss or just let you know it's not wanting to be petted. Leave me alone. So cats, people, are really just the same. I don't go home and think, what did I do to upset that cat that hissed at me? Or was all defensive with its tail puffed up. I don't wonder if the cat didn't like my looks, or had a different political opinion, or belonged to some cat hate group that was prejudiced against humans or whatever. And with people, it's really the same. Some people like me, some people don't like me, some people feel like I want to be around, others feel like I don't. I don't have to make up reasons. I don't say I don't like that cat because she meows too much, or she doesn't exercise enough, or she's too right wing, or too left wing, or a religious cat, or an atheist cat, or whatever. With people, it's really the same. How many people do you know who's changed over the years anyway? This goth girl in junior high, Shelby, is now this conservative Christian. She looks totally different. Her clothes, her hair, her makeup, and she used to curse all the time. F this and F that, and now she's like some church lady. She used to try to get into clubs with a fake ID, always trying to get high. Now she goes to church and political meetings sober as a rock. Is she the same person? Why did she change? It's like watching a show, and this character changes from one season to the next. You can make up reasons, but really, it just happened. My friend's dad was this really nice guy. Then they found out he was hooking up with his assistant at work. Some intern from the college, and know he's a bad guy. But think about it for a minute. One day, he was probably coming home after being with his assistant, and he was super nice to his wife and my friend. So they liked him and thought, what a good dad. Then they found out he's doing something they don't like and know he's a bad dad and a bad guy. But he's still the same person, right? Like Shelby, is she the same person? What does that even mean, to be a person? It's just how you act, even how you think, or what you even believe. Then I guess it doesn't mean much at all, does it? Not if it can change so much. See, it all unravels a little more every day. What does it mean, Elena? She's not going to answer, but trust me, I know what she'd say. Meow.